So this is how the weather is nowadays. It has been snowing, then raining, then snowing, then raining. And today it's just gray, all gray. We're visiting the new Pong Asian restaurant here in Taipei Centrum. Front door is for fast food, as you can see, and here in the other back side of the restaurant you can eat buffet. So my husband and me are gonna try that today. My favorite store, Søstrene Grine, has started to have some Easter decorations, like these really beautiful glass ones, and these metal ones, some DIY stuff for the kids. Let's see what else they have. Next up is a Lagerhaus, which also has started with some Easter decorations. A little flower egg cup, quite cute. They also have these glass egg decorations. There's also some spring decorations, like this fake green plant decorations. They're quite nice. And the blue and beige and brown and green continue over here. Also nice paper lamps. But yeah, spring will be taking a while longer here, so I might buy some fake greens to have inside. I haven't found these glass egg decorations yet, but here's another shelf with Easter stuff. So maybe baby here. No. Anyways, looking very nice with the yellow. Makes you happy. Next up, let's see the Easter decorations here at Hemtix. I see some yellow here. Oh, those cups are cute. Those are really cute. Oh, they have little bowls as well, and some small dishes. And what else do we have here? Oh, paper eggs. In green and yellow. Oh, and the white ones. Oh yeah, I think the white ones I have to get maybe a baby. Oh, and some more stuff here that they haven't even put on display. This might go with it. Could mix and match. Very nice. Let's check out how I'm home. I see some very colorful stuff here. Very nice. Actually, what caught my eye really was this. This looks really great. The green, yellow, pink, and this pattern is really, really nice. Very nice display. There's also. Here we continue with some greens. This is stuff that I've already seen before, but have arranged it in a different way. Works quite nice. And here on this table we have a little bit more somber colors. Green, beige. A very nice pillow. The weather is kind of mixed gray with a bit of sunny and a bit of blue sky. So we'll see how this day turns out. I plan to go shopping with my daughter. Ta-da! Time for IKEA. The weather is a bit better here, south of town, like always. We joke about that it's sunnier south of Stockholm, but it actually often is. I'm at IKEA with my daughter. Like always, I look for some small knickknacks for the house to improve our apartment. And she wants to go explore everything. Also here, green for spring is a theme. We are at the big IKEA in Kungens Kurva. So we have plenty to look at. This sofa in velvet with a chaise longue on one side looks very nice. I've been trying to talk my husband into getting a new sofa because he's unhappy with the old one. Smedstorp, 12,000, quite expensive, I guess. So I think I'm out of luck. My husband is gonna want to hold on to the old sofa. Time for lunch, and fantastically enough they have a pancake buffet for the kids, for grown-ups too actually. So will I have the pancake buffet over there or will I have the meatballs? Time for the obligatory lunch at IKEA. I'm having the meatballs as always, and because there is holidays, they had a pancake buffet for the kids, which my daughter is enjoying. I'm always a sucker for outdoor lighting, especially the kind that is with a maybe solar. Not this one. Little Asian bamboo lamp inspired. And okay, here. When the light is on, it looks like this. It's pretty. And the other one here looks like this. It's also very nice. Solvinden. It's a good line. I like those. And those are new designs for this year. 2 floor or table lamps and 1 ceiling lamp. They're all in plastic. They're all for outdoor use. Very nice. It's also really cute, the outside area. News. Planter in wood. Very nice. We're here. Nice little set of green table and chairs. Here's the same in gray. And here's a nice little room, outside room installation with those lamps. Very nice. Wait, boink. Stumbling of stuff. And here's a planter. Vertical planter with 3 pots. I have this planter here as well in gray and the blue-green color. It's called, let's see, Dax use. 500 kronas. It's really nice. They've really made a big area just before the warehouse where you take stuff and check out. I've made a big area with only outdoor furniture, and they have arranged it very nicely in these, styled very nicely in these little rooms. Birds singing in the loudspeaker. This is very nice. Green. My daughter is trying out the hammock. It's kind of half approved. It's a little bit low, but that is because this contraption here would need to be tightened. Yes. Quite okay. So, let's see. All the stuff I got at IKEA. Oh. Let's start maybe with this. Wait, those were my glasses. Very nice, very soft, very fluffy. Seat cushions for the chairs that are quite small. Not as great as I hoped, but well, maybe I have to reconsider that then. I got 8 of them for 8 chairs, but if this is not working, then I might give them back. So let's put them on this pile. Keep the receipt. Then wooden spoon. And for my daughter's room, these organizers. Yeah, well, you see what it is. Organizers in white metal mesh. Then here, this is kind of two-in-one thing. It's like a travel pillow. Got two. This one is open travel pillow with a lightweight travel blanket inside, which I bought two because I thought these would be very good for the kids to have along when we go on vacation. Or also, stuff that I always think about is it's kind of like for a bailout bag or camping. And then, yeah, another one of those. And more of those, which I might not keep now after all. And in the same style, this is also an organizer for papers that you can stack. Bought two sets of those, so 4 here. And then some small stuff like pencils and some neon color water paint. Some a power bank. And another power bank, bigger one, 2 of those. And this is also a desk organizer in the same style for my daughter. And something that's always good to have, a silicone cooking oven glove. I also figured this would be good for barbecuing, to protect your hands from the heat. And yeah, 2 more of those. And I also always buy white standard 100-pack paper napkins. So this was today's stash. The main thing we went for was the organizer, the desk organizer stuff for my daughter. And the other stuff was just things that you find at IKEA, because you always find stuff you didn't expect. So good. I really like the design ideas from IKEA, this hybrid Lerk. It's this blue polyester pillow with a blanket inside. It's an interesting explanation. It's like, yeah, unzip it, take out the, take out the blanket, and then put clothes like socks into the pillowcase, and you will have a complete blanket and pillow. It's a very smart tip to put clothes into this pillowcase. This is what I like. This is like a really smart explanation how to make this a full bed set. That's great. Love IKEA. Another thing that I forgot to film when I unpacked it because it was at the bottom, it's this halvtom. It has this smart lid. If you have it like this, it can wiggle by itself, and if you put it like this, then it's open. And why I wanted it is because it's a one-hand grip kind of thing, and I'm going to use it for olive oil, because otherwise when cooking you need two hands to open the bottle. With this I can just pour oil into the pan and be done. So this is great. So look at this, the weather is utter gray in gray with some wind and some rain. And this is how it's been most of the time this week, so it's a good time to just go to the mall for some shopping.